Welcome to Bibliobazar Course Market, the hub for creators like you to share your knowledge and monetize your expertise. Today, we're diving into the process of creating a downloadable digital product and selling it online. Let's get started. Open your seller dashboard on Bibliobazar. Click on Add Product to begin the journey of sharing your digital creation with the world. To create seller account, check the video link at right. Enter your product details. But here's the key step: don't forget to select downloadable product. This is what makes your creation accessible to buyers globally. Add a captivating featured image to make your product visually appealing. Now, you'll see an option to add your product name and link. Head over to your Google Drive. Make sure the file link is set to share with everyone with the link. Copy the link and paste it into the product link section. Once everything looks good, hit save. Your creation is now in the queue for admin approval. This process usually takes 24 hours. Once your product is approved, you'll receive an email notification. Congratulations! Your digital product is now live on Bibliobazar Course Market. And that's it. To add a course as a product, check out the video on the right. Thanks for watching. And here's to sharing your expertise with the world. Happy creating and selling on Bibliobazar.